Hey Ron, let's have a productive after work night thing. It's like late, but we're gonna get some stuff done because it's Thursday night that I'm filming this and we don't want to be cleaning all weekend long. So let's go. First are these blankets. We need to wash them in the living room. This is what it looks like. And then we're gonna put that away downstairs in my craft room and put that in the sink. Actually, we're gonna have him do this. Now that I see him. All right, now we're gonna do that. This all goes downstairs. These always go in the middle, but I was crafting last night, so that's why it was there. This is not mine. It's our neighbors, aka my boyfriend's brothers and his girlfriend. So we're gonna set that there. So next time they come over, they can grab it. And then this is my boyfriend's for paintball. Don't ask. So set that right there so I can remind him to grab it. And now let's start with this. And maybe I can get my boyfriend to help me pick this up. Okay, something already fell. This is probably a great angle. Okay. Go down the stairs. Okay, more things. Oh, that hook. Oh, my feet. Okay. All the stuff for downstairs, that goes in my bedroom, so it's camera things. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, I think we got it. If you're my boyfriend watching this, put your shoes back. Like, it's literally right there. I'm gonna show him this clip actually. I bought my boyfriend these as a joke. I was gonna put it in his Easter basket, but yeah. He loves the Texas Roadhouse peanuts, so we're gonna put it in the pantry. He might want to bring them to work, so I'm gonna put them right there. Okay, so I never get complaints about music being really loud, so I think vacuuming will be fine at 9 o'clock at night. Alright, we're good. I also think this was sideways the whole time, at an angle. Alright, I think it looks good. We also don't have a TV yet, or a TV stand, but we'll get there. And I think I'm going to order tonight a little key thing for right there, but then I'm also like, should it be right here or right there? But I feel like if we get a TV, it's going to be right there and that'll be weird. Okay, I just saw this, which I'm going to choose to ignore. So this is about to look insane, but this is build up from all week. It's Thursday, starting from Monday, because I always start fresh on Sundays. I usually do a Sunday reset. It's scary. Yeah, and this side is my boyfriend's side, so I can't really, we'll get there. But let's clean this up. Quick overview. I have to take that downstairs to the laundry room. Obviously, but it's not going to be made because we're about to go, and this is not my problem because it's my boyfriend. So, yeah. I'm about to take this stuff to the trash, sink, and then fill up my water bottle because this is like my bedtime water bottle. After I fill up my water bottle, we will be taking a shower, or I'll be taking a shower. You'll be seeing the aftermath, maybe, if I remember to film. The question is, can I carry all of this? I don't want to drop this camera. I feel like I'm going to. Okay, we're here. One of the best things about living over here is our freezer has an ice maker. Probably vacuum our bedroom, but I'm going to call it a night for cleaning the bedroom. Hopefully you can hear me over this ice. And just take a shower. I also heard you're supposed to be talking about things you're going to be doing or what's happening in your life while you're filming things and not talking about what you're actually doing. And I totally forgot to do that. I just say everything I'm doing, even though you guys can clearly see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take a shower and relax. And I think that's it. So yeah, let's see how this night goes. I got my pajamas. Let's shower now. Okay, I just got a shower and I just remembered I'm almost out of toothpaste. And I've been struggling to get some. So let's hope. Oh. Hopefully I can get some. It's a struggle. I personally floss after. I don't know why. I probably should do it before. But I always get food stuck between like my back teeth because they have really big gaps, and then there's like a tooth on this side that's really big. So I always make sure to get those spots. I've been getting my hair back in a bun for like probably years now. Okay. And I heard it's really bad for your hair. Like it gets like mold or mildew. I don't know. So I get nervous doing it. So like sometimes I'll stop. But the main routine, I put it in a bun and I leave this leave-in conditioner, and it's the Sol de Janeiro one. This is like the best one I found for the price, because I used to use, what is it called? You also don't need to use as much as I do, but I use a lot. Anyways, I also want to get a hair mask. Anyways, I keep getting distracted. I used to use the Way leave-in conditioner, and I think it was $30 for the small bottle, like the treble. Don't quote me on that. That was like a year and a half ago, maybe even 2 years. I stopped getting it because it was just, I was like, why am I paying this much money? And this one, I believe, is $32. It used to be $28, but I think I bought it for $32 recently for a big bottle. And this is how many ounces? 7 ounces. And I've always had trouble with these bottles. Like, look, there's conditioner. I'm not gonna waste it. We're putting it in my hair. I've always had problem with these bottles, like leaking and stuff. So I'm nervous to bring that to my Colorado trip coming up in a few weeks. We'll see. I also need to get back into the routine of skincare, but that's not gonna happen tonight. I know it should be, but it's not, because I've been skipping it these last few weeks. Like, I'll do it for a week, stop, do it the next week, you know? And you can definitely tell with my skin, and whenever I get my period, I have the worst hormonal breakouts compared to like my normal skin. So like, especially since I haven't been doing my skincare, it's been bad. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to bed. See you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.